1. RoverTac Camping Multi-Tool. RoverTac Camping Multi-Tool is a versatile and robust companion for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers, designed to meet a myriad of needs with its multifunctional capabilities. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, this camping tool is a testament to innovation and practicality. Featuring a sturdy construction with high-quality stainless steel, the RoverTac Camping Multi-Tool incorporates a variety of essential functions into a compact and portable design. From a sharp knife and saw to pliers, screwdrivers, and a bottle opener, this tool equips you for various tasks encountered during camping, hiking, or survival situations. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, promoting ease of use in diverse conditions. 2. RexPetti Folding Saw. RexPetti Folding Saw is a rugged and efficient cutting tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts, gardeners, and DIY enthusiasts. Crafted with precision and durability, this folding saw excels in tackling a variety of cutting tasks with ease. Featuring a sharp and durable blade made from high-carbon steel, the RexPetti Folding Saw effortlessly cuts through branches, limbs, and other materials. The triple-cut razor teeth are designed to provide efficient and smooth cutting action, making it an ideal tool for pruning, camping, hiking, or woodworking. What sets the RexPetti Folding Saw apart is its foldable design, allowing for easy and safe storage when not in use. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The locking mechanism keeps the blade securely in place when unfolded, providing stability and safety during cutting tasks. 3. RoverTac Multi-Tool Pliers. The RoverTac Multi-Tool Pliers are a versatile and indispensable tool for tackling a wide range of tasks, whether outdoors, at home, or on the go. Crafted with precision and durability, this multi-tool is a compact powerhouse that combines functionality with convenience. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, the RoverTac Multi-Tool Pliers feature a variety of essential functions, including pliers, wire cutters, a knife, a saw, screwdrivers, and more. This multifunctional design makes it an all-in-one solution for various situations, from DIY projects to camping and emergency scenarios. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, enhancing control and precision. 4. 5th April 2011 Tactical AMP-12 Backpack. 5.11 Tactical AMP-12 Backpack is a pinnacle of innovation, durability, and versatility, designed for individuals who demand high-performance gear for their dynamic lifestyles. Crafted by 5.11 Tactical, renowned for its tactical gear, this backpack is a feature-rich solution for both everyday carry and demanding outdoor activities. Constructed from rugged 500D nylon, the AMP-12 backpack boasts durability without compromising on weight. Its versatile design offers a generous 25-liter capacity while maintaining a sleek and streamlined profile. The main compartment features multiple pockets and sleeves for efficient organization, including a padded laptop sleeve and a hydration compartment. What sets the AMP-12 apart is its hex grid 9x9 gear set, allowing customizable attachment of gear and accessories on the front and sides. 5. Victos Men's War-Turn Gloves. Victos Men's War-Turn Gloves exemplify tactical excellence and durability, designed to meet the rigorous demands of professionals and enthusiasts alike. Crafted by Victos, a brand synonymous with cutting-edge tactical gear, these gloves deliver a combination of functionality, protection, and style. Constructed with a blend of synthetic materials and genuine leather, the War-Turn gloves offer superior durability and flexibility. The gloves are engineered to provide exceptional grip and tactile sensitivity, ensuring precise control of weapons and tools in various operational environments. The integrated TPR, thermoplastic rubber, knuckle protection adds an extra layer of defense without compromising on dexterity. 6. Schrade Tactical Hatchet. Schrade Tactical Hatchet is a formidable tool that combines rugged durability with versatile functionality, making it an essential companion for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and those who appreciate reliable cutting power in a compact design. Crafted by Schrade, a trusted name in tactical and outdoor gear, this hatchet embodies quality and performance. Constructed with high-quality stainless steel, the Schrade Tactical Hatchet features a razor-sharp blade that excels at chopping, cutting, and general outdoor tasks. The full tan design ensures strength and durability, providing confidence in the tool's ability to handle demanding situations. The hatchet's handle is crafted from robust TPR, thermoplastic rubber, for a comfortable and secure grip, even in challenging weather conditions. 7. Beaver Craft Bushcraft Knife. Beaver Craft Bushcraft Knife is a precision-crafted and reliable tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists who demand excellence in their gear. Created by Beaver Craft, known for its dedication to quality craftsmanship, this bushcraft knife is a versatile and durable companion for wilderness adventures. Forged from high-carbon steel, the blade of the Beaver Craft Bushcraft Knife boasts exceptional sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance. Its full-tang construction ensures strength and stability, making it a reliable choice for various cutting tasks in the great outdoors. The ergonomic handle, crafted from natural wood, provides a comfortable and secure grip, allowing extended use without hand fatigue. 8. CRKD Compano EDC Pocket Knife. CRKD Compano EDC Pocket Knife is a testament to functionality, innovation, and ergonomic design, delivering a reliable cutting tool for everyday carry needs. Crafted by CRKD, Columbia Rever Knife and Tool, a brand renowned for its precision cutting solutions, the Compano seamlessly blends utility with sleek aesthetics. Featuring a versatile draw-point blade made from high-quality 8CR13 move stainless steel, the Compano pocket knife offers a razor-sharp edge that excels in a variety of cutting tasks. The ambidextrous thumb stud ensures quick and easy one-handed deployment, adding to the knife's practicality. The handle, constructed from durable glass-reinforced nylon, provides a comfortable and secure grip. 9. ACR Bivy Satellite Communicator. ACR Bivy Satellite Communicator is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, and adventurers who prioritize safety and connectivity in remote locations. Crafted by ACR Electronics, renowned for its innovative survival gear, the Bivy Satellite Communicator combines emergency beacon functionality with two-way messaging, providing a comprehensive solution for communication in the wild. Equipped with a global Iridium satellite network, the Bivy ensures reliable coverage in virtually any location on Earth. The device allows users to send and receive text messages, track their location, and access weather forecasts. 10. Ock Knife Roboto Pocket Knife. The Ock Knife Roboto Pocket Knife is a masterfully crafted folding knife that embodies precision, versatility, and elegance. Engineered with meticulous attention to detail, this pocket knife from Ock Knife combines premium materials with a thoughtful design to deliver a reliable and stylish cutting tool for everyday carry. The Roboto features a high-quality D2 steel blade, known for its exceptional hardness and edge retention. The draw-point blade design provides versatility, making it suitable for various cutting tasks. The ball-bearing pivot ensures smooth and swift deployment, enhancing the knife's overall usability. The handle of the Roboto is crafted from G10, a durable and lightweight material that offers a secure and comfortable grip. The ergonomic design promotes precise control during use, making it an ideal companion for everyday cutting needs.